On today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Marvel Collector Corps box, which is this time of Spider-Man Blue, a 6-issue limited Spider-Man series that came out in the early 2000s. The box itself is very simple, has Spider-Man, Mary Jane, and Gwen Stacy in a blue tint, and there's just the same images on the top and the sides with just the Spider-Man Blue logo. There is 5 pieces to this collector's box, and 2 of them being exclusive Funko Pops. And my third guess would be one being a shirt. So let's see what the other 2 mystery items and what they are in general in this video now. Let me just take out my blade. Ironically, Spider-Man blade for this video. It is untaped, and let's see what mysteries awaits us. So first off, like I said, pretty normal when it comes to a Collector Corps box, because they do ask you for your size, is a t-shirt. And this one looks nice. It appears to be all the Spider-Man villains, always Mary Jane and Gwen Stacy. So most of the Spider-Man's villains with friends in a shirt. So let's take it out. So here is the t-shirt. Obviously, we have the Lizard, Vulture, Gwen Stacy, Green Goblin, Mary Jane, Rhino, Doc Ock. Not sure who this is. I'm gonna call him Craven for now, but legitimately, I do not know. And obviously, Spider-Man in the middle with Spider-Man Blue down here. Pretty awesome shirt. Really like it. Let's go on to the next item. And here is a pin of the Daily Bugle Press. A super simple pin with a Daily Bugle, a camera. Oh, it's a press badge. That's what this is. I was very confused to why a newspaper would look like that. I thought it was a newspaper article, but no, it's a press badge. So this is your press badge as a Daily Bugle reporter. A lot better than what I was thinking about a news article. Anyways, moving on. We have 2 paper things. We have a Mary Jane heart sticker with the bubble reading "Face It, Tiger." Then here we have a description of the card that was in here of Spider-Man Blue, and it reads, "Swinging into new adventures with the latest Amazon exclusive." Oh, it's gonna tell me what's in there, so I'd rather not finish reading there. And then on the other side, it says that we are getting Captain America Brave New World as our next collector's box. So make sure to stay tuned if you want to see me unbox it, just like this one. And here we get a new exclusive look at the new Falcon Captain America suit. And it really goes more into a Steve Rogers look. I really enjoyed the one that was in Falcon and the Winter Soldier. But let's see how he turns out with this suit. Now finally, let's go for the exclusive Funko Pops that are part of this collection. First off being, if I could get it out. Oh, okay. Gwen Stacy, and kind of like the cover art shows, it is in that blue tint. Pretty nice. She's holding what appears to be like flowers or a Valentine's chocolate box. And now let's take her out of the box. To get a closer look. But here we are, Gwen Stacy out of the box. It does come with its own plastic hilt to hold her, and looking at it a little bit closer, it does appear that she is indeed holding a box of chocolate. A heart-shaped box of chocolate. So that is Gwen Stacy. And next up, our final pop being Spider-Man Blue. And self-mentioned, just like Gwen Stacy, he is fully blue, except with what appears to be some flowers. So let's take a closer look of him too. So here we have Spider-Man. Like I said, oh, even the stem of the rose is blue, except for the actual rose, the petal parts, it is red. So pretty nice. The way he's standing seems very machismo, if you know what I mean. So just to recap, this is everything we got, including this awesome t-shirt, this sticker of Mary Jane, Gwen Stacy Blue, a Press Pass Daily Bugle pin, and Spider-Man Blue. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop that like if you want to see more unboxings such as this one. especially the next one, the Captain America Brave New World one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification button so you don't miss a video. And as always, guys, I hope to see you all in the next one. Laters.